Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to week 4. That's right, we're about a third of the way through the course. A lot of great things. So this week, we're now going to be finishing those title cards and those end cards and adding some music and really adding that detail and framing your demo reels. It's going to be great trying to find out that true length. So we're going to be talking about music, and now music really adds a lot to it. So really, music plays a big part in most of our lives. It can enhance our experiences, create physical, emotional reactions, amongst other things. Those are very reasons why music's so important to the film industry and so many others. From using low frequencies to signify panic to happy music to really bring you uplifting, there's a lot of different ways of going. And this is especially true for animation and art and so many different elements that's gradually turned radio play into these full, beautiful images. Now, there's a lot of different techniques that you can add with sound, voiceover, sound effects, background music, ambient noises, realism with part effects. We'll go more into detail about this in lecture a little bit later. But a lot of things, you have to ask yourself a few questions, and we'll go over these questions again in lecture, kind of go about it, and think about these before we go into lecture. Does it match your theme? Does it match the style that you're trying to go for? Does the music clash with anything in your animations or your clips? Do you feel like the timing's off any of that? Does it evoke emotion? Do you feel anything if you're watching your clips and you have some music playing with it? Do you feel any style of emotion? Does the music distract the viewer at all? That's another thing. And also planning and storyboarding can help you out. I think that's really a huge thing, planning out how the music plays a part with how each clip goes about it. That's going to help you go a long way. So think about these concepts. We'll go into detail about this a little more. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So do keep in mind, no discussion this week. Lecture same time, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. And I just want you to focus on your assignments this week. That's all. But we're going to have a lot of great discussions about music and how everything affects with it, and just go from there. All right, everybody, have a great week. See y'all in lecture. Enjoy.